It's Thanksgiving holiday week. The crew at ToolBoxBuzz has a message for you.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thanks for being fans of ToolBoxBuzz. Rob and I really appreciate all the support. Especially thankful for all the guys on our crew that help make our website and our publications so special.
Hey, it's Ethan. Just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you very much for your support of ToolBoxBuzz. Have a great holiday.
To all of our U.S. subscribers, happy Thanksgiving. And to all of our subscribers in the rest of the world, happy Thursday. But wherever you are, we are thankful for you for watching, interacting, and just talking tools with us.
Hey guys, it's Michael Hopp from ToolBoxBuzz, and I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving and want to thank you for your continued support. Take care.
Hey guys, it's Scott from ToolBoxBuzz. On behalf of the entire ToolBoxBuzz crew, we'd like to say thank you for all your support.
Hey guys, Josh at ToolBoxBuzz. Just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Keep on watching.
Hey guys, I'm Jeff from ToolBoxBuzz. I want to take a moment here to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Make it safe, make it happy, make it warm, make it friendly. And we want to thank you, the listeners, the watchers, the subscribers, for everything you do. Thanks.
Hey everyone, just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. And it seems like Thanksgiving is the only time of the year these days where we actually slow down and take the time and remember what really is important. And I just want to say I'm thankful for the opportunity to continue working with the rest of the ToolBoxBuzz guys, and looking forward to doing more work and getting more stuff out there. So girls, what do we say? Let's say happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving!
Thanksgiving is a great time to reconnect and spend time with family and friends. We often take for granted the things that matter the most to us. Please take some time this holiday and think about or thank someone who you're grateful for. On behalf of the ToolBoxBuzz crew, I want to wish you a happy and safe Thanksgiving holiday. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you soon.